How to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus or S25 Series. In this video I will show you three different methods and last one is the hidden method. So let's see. First method, you can use both the power button, side key or volume down at the same time. So first of all, open the screen. You want to take a screenshot. Here we open the app drawer. Now long press the power side button or volume down at the same time and you can see take a screenshot on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. The second method you can use. In the second method you can use palm swipe to capture gesture. So make sure enable it. To check it, go to settings on your device, scroll down up to advanced feature. Here you can see the advanced feature, tap on it. Now tap the, here you can find the motion and gesture option on your Samsung S25 series. At the end you can see the palm swipe to capture. Make sure to toggle on this option. Swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take a screenshot. So make sure to toggle on this option. Now go back, open the screen and swipe the edge across the screen to take a screenshot like this on your device. And the last one is the hidden method. Just open quick setting tiles on your device. Here you can check if available the swipe down the notification panel from the tap the edit icon, tap again the edit icon. In the bottom you can find the take screenshot option on your device. So you need to move this to your top quick setting tiles. So long press it and move it the top of your quick setting tiles. Here we move this. Now tap on done at the top right corner. Now open the any page or screen you want to take a screenshot and swipe down the notification panel. Open the quick setting panel, swipe it and you can find the take screenshot. Just tap on it and it will take a screenshot on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So this is the all three method you can use to capture screenshot on Samsung S25 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.